CapCut is a nice app, very nice, and there's a reason why I teach it, because it's perfect for beginners. It has a very simple user interface. The features it provides are not really complicated to learn. So if you want to start your video editing career, CapCut is genuinely perfect. However, they have updated their terms of service. Now, the reason why I'm making this video is because some of you might not actually be aware of what you agreed to. Now, here in the terms of service section, you can see the user-generated content. Now, if we scroll down a bit, it will say you must own your user content or have obtained all necessary rights, licenses, and clearances of any and all elements of your user content. So basically, the content is yours. However, it will say you further grant us and our affiliates, agents, service providers, partners, and other connected third parties a royalty-free, fully transferable, including sub-licensable, worldwide license to your username, image, and likeness to identify you as a source of any of your content, including for use in sponsored content. Which means they can basically use your own face for absolutely free for their own sponsored content and share it with their affiliates, basically third parties. And this specific case is related to anyone, regardless whether you're using a free plan or pro plan. This applies to everyone. Now, if we scroll down a bit more, waiver of user content. By uploading or making user content to or through the services, you waive any rights to prior inspection or approval of any marketing, advertising, or promotional materials related to such user content. You also waive, to the extent permitted by applicable law, any and all rights of privacy, publicity, or any other rights of a similar nature in connection with your user content or any portion thereof. You hereby waive, to the extent permitted by applicable law, and agree never to assert any and all moral rights you may have in or with respect to any of the user content you upload or otherwise make available through the service, or to support, maintain, or permit any action based on such moral rights. Basically, this section clarifies the fact that you give up your rights and allow them to use your own content for their own interests and purposes. If you scroll a bit further, they clarify this even more. They say, we or authorized third parties reserve the right to cut, crop, edit, or refuse to upload your content in our or their sole discretion. In addition, basically they're confirming that they will do this, and it's up to them. They're the ones deciding which content will they use for their own interests. So I'm making this short video just to let you guys know and advise your discretion. Now it's your choice whether you want to carry on using CapCut or not. Let me know in the comments down below which app you would like me to also cover for you, if you believe that you will be able to learn it as a beginner. So well, what could I say? Just know that if you're using CapCut, you're agreeing to all these terms of service. Just making this short video to show all of you guys, because I think everyone has a right to know, and some of you may not even be aware of that. So that's it for today. If you found this video useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell in case if you're interested in video editing and don't want to miss up any further tutorials and videos similar to this one. And I'll see you everyone next time, and take care.